is a leaf's only purpose to fall.
Video game music. Wait, no, that's another video I'm working on. There we go. Math as a language. And I'm going to use this article as a reference so you don't have to read it. I mean, do you really want to read a page like that? Of course, I won't just copy paste stuff from there. I'm lazy, but not that kind of lazy. And just like every essay, we start off with an introduction. I'll first find an appropriate game in the background. There. Math is just like a language. Like some countries have different ways of interpreting words, math too has different ways of interpreting numbers depending on the area or field. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 for simple mathematics, but 1 plus 1 is 10 for binary mathematics. That still translates to 2, but in a different way. Just like saying thank you in English and arigato gozaimasu in Japanese. A vocabulary of words or symbols. We have numbers, variables, and operations. There should be meaning to those symbols. This means that the two sides are the same. This means you add them. Rules on how vocabulary is used, or in one word, grammar. 1 is greater than 2. That sounds grammatically incorrect, and you can't divide a number with 0. That's illegal. A syntax, meaning structures, like subject, verb, object is to I learned math, addend operation addend is equal to sum is to 30 plus 20 is 50. And lastly, there should be a group of people who understand those symbols. I wonder who could those people be? Also, let's change the background game. My friends are playing and I'm stuck here making a script. Please let me have the background game not related to math. Oh wait, everything is related to math. See those numbers? Yeah. Saying math is hard is like saying learning Japanese is hard. With everything I said, it's like learning another language, and you can't just learn an entire language that easy. Unless you're gifted. The purpose for learning a different language can differ for each of them. You learn English since it's understood by mostly everyone, and it makes communication to foreign people easier. You want to learn Japanese because you're a weeb and want to understand what Satoru Gojo is saying without any subtitles and brag it to your uncultured friends. And you don't want to learn math mostly because it's hard to understand them. The way some teachers explain is hard to comprehend for some students. Not putting pressure on you, ma'am, so relax. But it's not just the teachers. Students can find it hard to enjoy math since it feels so numberish. Where's the feeling of success other than that short adrenaline after getting a perfect score in math? What's after that? Where's the tangibility? At least when you learn Japanese, when you go to Japan, you don't ask with "Where do you say bidi and sound like someone racist. Instead, you will know and ask the question, 7-Eleven wa doko desu ka? I don't know, okay, I googled it. I don't speak Japanese. I'm lucky I like math because they feel like puzzles, and there are sometimes more than one solution for a problem, just like actual puzzle games. When we were kids, counting time was difficult at the start, but as we grow up, we learn time management with it. But in high school, why did I have to learn the volume of how much water is needed to fill up the bucket? I can just take a bath while doing that, and it will fill up just as I finish wiping myself. What I'm saying is that the math that we're learning should be something that would matter in our lives. I don't need to know the specific measurements of my room. I just comment with, "Wow, this room is large," or, "Well, my PC can only fit there," and just live with it. And that, in my opinion, is how math is a language. This video script is longer than I thought it's going to be, plus I edited a lot, so I'm gonna put this on my editing journal. That's all. Oh, how did I die there?